Hi guys, in this video, we will talk about how to close half position in MT4. So let's go. First of all, we will talk about MT4 in desktop or laptop version. So first, let's open a trade. Here you can see, we are opening a 0.10 lot trade on Euro USD pair. Set TP here. So, if we want to close half of our running position, then we need to double click here at prices. Here you can see a window get open. To close half order, we need to click first here at volume. One more thing we want to tell you that it's not mandatory to close only half position. You can close your position in 2 or more parts out of your 0.10 lot size by selecting the volume from here. But as we are going to close half position from 0.10 lot, so we will choose 0.05 lot here. To complete this, click on close. Here you can see, we have left with 0.05 position only, and our half position is closed now. So, next we will close half position in mobile version. Here also, let's open up a trade first, having 0.10 lot size. Here you can see, we have done with opening of our position with 0.10 lot size. Now we will close half position, that is 0.05 lot. For doing that, click on running trade. Click close. Here you can see our position is running in profit, and we gonna close half here. So what we will do, just adjust the lot size here which we gonna close. And click close. Here you can see, we have left with 0.05 lot size position. That's all you need to do. If you want to ask anything, please comment us below. Thanks for watching the video, see description to contact us, reliable brokers, our social media, and many more. And stay tuned for our next video. What is trailing stop?